Good morning, guys. So I'm getting ready. Well, I'm not getting ready. I'm on my way to take my car to the dealership because it's my first service. It said, I think it was, if you get like 5,000 miles, you have it's either 6 months or 5,000 miles. My car has 3,800 miles on it right now, so not 5,000, but yeah, trying to be good with maintenance, so gonna go ahead and get it checked out. Nothing's wrong with it that I know of, but look, I need my car to be in the best condition as possible because Sky my baby. Like, Sky makes sure I be good, you know? She makes sure I can go where I want to go. What the fuck? I hate big cars. Them trucks with all them dang wheels, like, I'm talking about, y'all know what I'm talking about. Do y'all know what I'm talking about? Like, those just regular trucks, not like 18-wheelers, but those trucks that be having like 6 wheels. I mean a plum, because the other day and last week I had some really good plums. Like, plums were A1 on everything. Trying to get back over. Why am I always like the first one to take off at the light? Everybody else be like chilling. I'm just gonna get over it. Ugh. Dang. Why you get in front of me? I'm behind me. Okay, it's getting hot. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. So got my car service. They changed my oil and rotated my tires, and they said everything was good. They did the inspection thing. They said my pollen filter was a little dusty, but not like ready to be changed, so it didn't change. They didn't change it. Now I'm on my way to this car wash because my car really needs to be vacuumed. I'm really not really concerned with the outside of the car, but to use like the amenities and stuff, you gotta get your car washed. So I'm just gonna pay my little $6 for my little car wash, so it's fine. It's completely fine, no problem. They moved my mirrors. Who told them to adjust my mirrors? No. Now I can't see. I knew something was off. No one I couldn't see that car. Or am I tripping? I've been feeling like my mirror's been funny lately. Okay. Okay, the car.
You are now ready to enter the car wash. Please proceed by following the directions on the signs ahead. And thank you again for your car wash purchase.
Okay. Okay. Oh, hands off pedal, foot off pedal. Okay. All right. Wee. The other one, last time I got my car washed, I went to Google, but this time I just stopped by. This one, fun. The other one had lights and everything though. Sky's getting clean. Got a full tank again. Oh, ain't full tank no more. Dang, never mind. Some minor, some light. Normally I keep my car clean, but my aunt has been driving my car a lot. And I've been driving my car a lot, and I just hadn't had the time to get it washed. Like, y'all, all these crumbs, it don't make no sense. I'll show y'all later, but yeah, so many crumbs. Dang, it's hot. Turn some air on. Oh, they do got lights. Beautiful. It's kind of dumb because it's like raining outside. Well, almost raining. Bye, soap. See you later. Almost done. I'm done. Not yet. Okay. Carl. Okay, y'all, so I just finished cleaning my car. Woo! Tired. I'm hot. I'm not tired, but I'm hot and sweaty. I think I'm gonna stop back by Toyota just because I saw some stuff in like the little gift store that I wanted, and I kind of I forgot to purchase it because they were like, your car is ready, and I just hopped in and left. But I want the stuff. I still want the stuff. It was like an insurance card holder thing, and oh gosh, it's so hot. I'm trying to see, do I want to go to a light, or I mean, it's pretty not a lot of traffic out, so let me see. So I'm gonna go back to Toyota to get my, oh, it's cold now, I guess because I'm hot, it's all sweaty and stuff. Oh snap, let me go. Why do I be doing that? I be like, yeah. But anyway, my car feels so good. Yes, smell good, look good. Yes, honey. But yeah, make sure I'm. What the crap? These things stay messing up my. I can't see on my mirror. Okay. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. I really can't do two things and drive. I cannot do a whole lot when I'm driving, so I'm gonna talk to y'all a little later. Okay. Where can I park? Because I just need to buy some gift stuff so I can go. I'm parked right here. Just gonna